Hello, I'm Dr. Forrest Tennant. I'm here to talk to persons who have back pain, as well as their families. Now, practically every adult at some time in their life will develop some back pain. And all of us who are good at it are going to end up down at our chiropractor's office or even our gym or our therapist. But I do know that there are some of you out there who have terrible back pain. It didn't help going to the chiropractor, the gym, or getting a patch down at the drugstore. And you may have a condition that used to be very rare, but is no longer rare, and it's called adhesive arachnoiditis. This message is to kind of alert you that maybe you have this, and which people should be thinking that they may have this. Adhesive arachnoiditis is actually an inflammation of the lower spinal canal. It's related to multiple sclerosis. And I want you to think about what I'm about to say on whether you should think that whether you have this disease. First off, it causes terrible pain. And it's not going to be helped at the chiropractor's office or down there with the physical therapist. It's simply not going to go away. And it's going to make you have enough pain that you can't sleep and that you can't walk too well. But it does something else. And here's what I want you to leave with this message. First off, it affects your bladder and your urine. It makes you have some funny feelings like you have bugs or water on your legs or your feet are burning. But the cardinal symptom that I want you to know about is this. If your pain is terrible and it gets better when you either stand or you lay down, look out. You may have something called adhesive arachnoiditis. It's time for you to start educating yourself about this and find out, do you have this terrible disease? It can be treated and can be controlled, but you need to diagnose yourself early and often. Good luck in finding out whether you might have this terrible disease. Okay.